श्रीमद्भागवतं नमस्कारं टु श्रीमद्भागवतं निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः। नमस्कारं टु श्री सुखमहर्षि यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवो विनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि। नमस्कारं टु श्रीमन्नारायण चतुर्मुख ब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्। Suta Maharshi discoursing Srimad Bhagavatam to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Parikshin Narendra, he arranged 3 padams back to Dharmadevata. He pacified Gomata, and then Parikshittu started ruling his kingdom, which is given to him by his grandfather Dharmaja. Pitamahena Upanyastam, he started ruling, making as Hastina as his capital and ruling the entire kingdom. O Maharshis, because of that Parikshin Narendra's power of ruling, now you are all able to Yuyam Satraya Dikshitaha. You are all now able to perform this Satrayagam. O Maharshis, Parikshittu, when he was in the stomach of his mother, that time Aswathama shooted a Brahmastram. At the time of that Brahmastram started burning this child in that stomach, at that time Anugrahat Bhagavataha Krishnasya Adbhuta Karmanaha. Because of Krishna Paramatma's miraculous power, this child did not get burnt even with that such a powerful weapon which is shooted by Aswathama. That is why now Parikshittu completely renunciated, completely engaged himself in thinking of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Bhagavad Arpita Asayaha. He engaged all his sensory organs in serving Sri Krishna Paramatma in each and every possible way. O Maharshis, Parikshittu, now he knows that Brahmana gave him a curse. Because of that, Takshaka, the serpent, is going to bite him and death is for sure. Even after knowing that death is very close and it is for sure, Parikshittu did not get scared. He gave up all his physical attachments, and Vyasakehi, he became disciple to Vyasa's son Sri Sukha Maharshi, and then he devoted himself to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then he went to Gangayam Swam Kalevaram. Parikshittu gave up his physical body in Ganga, the river. O Maharshulara, Syat Sambhramaha Antakalepi Smaratam Tatpadambujam. Those who meditates upon Paramatma, those who sings the glory of Sri Krishna Paramatma, those who listens to the divine stories of Sri Krishna Paramatma, they would not get scared even at the time of death. That is what now Parikshittu also doing. Like this, Suta Maharshi telling the greatness of Parikshittu to Saunaka and other Maharshis. After that, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. as an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.